Precipitation is one of Earth's most mesmerizing forces, affecting every landscape and ecosystem. While some places receive rain or snow daily, others stay dry for long periods. On average, Earth sees about a meter of precipitation annually, though deserts and polar regions can get up to 4 times less. But have you ever wondered, what if water, ice, and snow weren't the only things falling from the sky? Join us as we explore the most extraordinary objects to have ever descended from the heavens, going far beyond ordinary rain and snow. Number 1. Spider rain. Australia, a continent famous for its fearsome wildlife. Think snakes in sewers, sharks in malls, and crocodiles on city streets. Many hesitate to visit this wild land, but there's yet another eerie phenomenon to add to the list. Spider rain. Don't worry, these 8-legged travelers are far away, for now. In May 2015, residents of Goulburn, New South Wales, experienced this spine-chilling sight. A rain of spiders drifting down from the sky as if pulled from a horror movie. People were stunned, some even fearing an apocalyptic event. But scientists had a surprising explanation. Spider rain is a natural occurrence in places from the UK to the US to Brazil. In late spring and summer, baby spiders climb to treetops and spin silk parachutes, letting the wind carry them to new homes, an essential journey when you're no bigger than a grain of rice. Number 2. Possible rain in the form of fish. Imagine checking the weather forecast in Tamaulipas, Mexico in September 2017 and reading, "Cloudy with possible rain of fish." Yes, fish. Alongside the usual downpour, small fish were spotted falling from the sky. Picture stepping outside, umbrella ready, only to find tiny fish scattered across the ground, a surreal sight for us, but a feast for the neighborhood cats. How does such an incredible phenomenon happen? Surprisingly, the explanation is quite simple. When a waterspout forms over the ocean, it creates a low-pressure vortex that can lift fish from the water's surface, carrying them into the clouds. Eventually, the winds release them over land, creating a fish rain. While this bizarre event is rare, it happens more often than you might think. In March 2016, for example, Australia reported its own fish rain, leaving locals far from any water source marveling at fish strewn across the ground. Nature never ceases to surprise us. Number 3. Indonesia's fiery fury. Indonesia is a land of fiery landscapes and constant geological drama, experiences volcanic activity almost daily. Home to around 130 active volcanoes and frequent tremors, this island nation's residents are accustomed to living on a volatile foundation. Yet, in February 2014, the community of Havas encountered a volcanic event beyond anything they'd ever seen. The loose volcano erupted with an explosive force, releasing a towering plume of ash that spread over the region, transforming the skies and blanketing the land in gray. For many, it was their first experience with such a powerful eruption, and it was anything but trivial. The dense ash cloud brought airport operations to a halt, and several homes buckled under its weight, their rooftops buried beneath thick layers of soot. It was a stark reminder of nature's raw power, and a humbling testament to life on the ring of fire. Number 4. Shooting stars. Not all phenomena on Earth yield to scientific explanation. Among these mysteries is the elusive star jelly, a curious substance discovered on grass and trees worldwide. Star jelly has baffled people since the 14th century, yet even today, its true nature and origin remain shrouded in mystery. Some speculate that star jelly could be a message from extraterrestrial beings. Others imagine it as an organic fragment from a drifting molecular cloud in space. While intriguing, these theories stretch the imagination. A more grounded explanation suggests that star jelly might consist of undigested organs from toads and frogs, left behind after birds devour them, though even this idea needs further study. In an equally strange turn, imagine encountering a headline that reads, "Shark falls from sky into backyard." Naturally, curiosity would compel you to click. In 2015, a group of children in Virginia, USA, stumbled upon just such a sight, a baby shark, no larger than a hand, lying in a yard. Fortunately, there's no need to summon alien theories for this one. The likeliest explanation is that a bird, soaring above, accidentally dropped its catch. As bizarre as it sounds, nature's mysteries often have explanations just as fascinating as they are unexpected. Number 5. Star, jelly, and sky sharks. While unusual weather phenomena often spark curiosity, they seldom bring delight to those affected. But let's shift our focus for a moment. What you see on the screen isn't a natural event, but a display of human ingenuity. The dramatic destruction of the world's first automated transfer vehicle, Jules Verne. Launched on March 9, 2008, Jules Verne carried crucial supplies to the International Space Station's Expedition 17 crew, including 500 kilograms of food, 140 kilograms of spare parts, and 80 kilograms of clothing. In total, it delivered 270 kilograms of water, 21 kilograms of oxygen, and 856 kilograms of rocket fuel. The mission was a success, but like all spacecraft, Jules Verne's lifespan was limited. On September 29th, it re-entered Earth's atmosphere, creating a breathtaking spectacle. One can only imagine how many people, unaware of degraded, and ultimately sank into the Pacific Ocean, a few thousand kilometers east of New Zealand. This remarkable cargo's journey looked up that night and made wishes on what they believed were shooting stars. Number 6. The Rain of Iguanas. Our final story might seem a bit sad at first, but don't worry, there's a happy twist. In January of last year, Florida residents witnessed an unusual spectacle, a rain of iguanas. While it sounds like these reptiles were falling from the sky, they were actually plummeting from trees, appearing lifeless but not actually dead. Florida's warm climate is typically perfect for iguanas, but the sudden cold snap caught them by surprise. The drastic drop in temperature chilled their blood, rendering them immobile and causing them to tumble from their perches. Though they appeared frozen and still, these iguanas were merely in a cold-induced slumber. Thankfully, iguanas have a remarkable survival trait, the ability to slow their metabolism in extreme conditions. Experts reassured the public that, as soon as the temperature warmed, these resilient reptiles would wake up and carry on as if nothing had happened. So, no need for tears, just admiration for nature's incredible adaptability.